Today, the Supreme Court got it wrong. While pretending to faithfully apply existing legal standards, the court essentially engaged in mental gymnastics and twisted the law into a pretzel that defies all reason, all history, all logic. This court is telling us that diversity still matters, but its holding today doesn't actually comport with that reality. Now, let's be clear about how we got to this point. We know. Well, this is a moment not to say woe is us. This is a moment, frankly, for all hands to be on deck. This is an all of society moment, not just individual activists, but any person of good conscience. Policymakers, higher education leaders, business leaders. We have to come together and speak in one voice to say that we're going to keep our eyes on the prize. Affirmative action is just a tool. The prize is racial equity, racial justice, and opportunity for everyone. And until we have that, we will not rest. Today's decision means not the end of all possibility, but a much more difficult path. The court clearly did not affirm prior precedent, but it didn't wholesale overrule it either. The court essentially underruled precedent by twisting it up into a knot and making it much more difficult to understand and certainly to apply. There is certainly a path forward, and we think the path forward includes flooding the market by forcing the issue. The court said that universities can still ask students about their racialized experiences and their identity. We think universities should definitely do that. In fact, we encourage all students to talk about your identity loud and proud in your applications, on campus, and through all means. Let them know who the full person is, because we believe in the long run that cannot be denied.